With the Made in India weapons proving themselves in the battlefield during Operation Sindoor, the Narendra Modi government has decided to push ahead with the Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft or AMCA project through the Atmanirbhar Bharat route. Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh approved the AMCA program, which the Aeronautical Development Agency or ADA is set to execute through private and public partnership. The government in a statement said the execution model approach provides equal opportunities to both private and public sectors on competitive basis. They can bid either independently or as a joint venture or as a consortia. The entity bidder should be an Indian company compliant with the laws and regulations of the country. At the Aero India show at Yelahanka, India Today had reported on not just the first mock-up of AMCA, but also spoke to the project director and the team.
We have got the sanction for the full-scale engineering development of the AMCA in April 2024. We thank the Indian government for giving us this prestigious project to the Aeronautical Development Agency, which is the ADA has been steering this particular program from its conceptual stage. We have started our official journey in 2010, and today we are showcasing to the country the full-scale engineering model of the AMCA, demonstrating the key technological advances that our country has achieved with our indigenous efforts.
The Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft will be India's fifth generation fighter jet. The Cabinet Committee on Security had approved the 15,000 crore rupee project in March 2024 for 5 prototypes. The first prototype is expected by 2028-29. The Indian Air Force plans to induct the first AMCA by 2035. IAF plans to acquire between 160 to 200 AMCAs, that's between 7 and 10 squadrons by 2047. The first flight of AMCA is set for late 2030s. Mass production is targeted between 2035-36. The government has given a major push to the AMCA project, with Pakistan seeking 30 to 40 J-35 fifth generation fighters from China after Pakistan's debacle in Operation Sindoor. AMCA development is proposed in 2 phases, a Mark 1 with the General Electric F414 engines and a Mark 2 with a more powerful engine planned to be co-developed in future. With Shivani Sharma and Sandeep Unithan, Bureau Report, India Today.